Namaste. We will continue with the 28th sloka in chapter 2. Avyaktādīni bhūtāni vyakta-madhyāni bhārata avyakta-nidhanāny-eva tatra ka paridevanā. Avyaktādīni bhūtāni vyakta-madhyāni bhārata avyakta-nidhanāny-eva tatra ka paridevanā. Bhagavan, in order to remove the sorrow of Arjuna, had started giving him the knowledge of the self. After briefly explaining about the Atma, Bhagavan takes the stand where even if Arjuna thinks that the self is born with the body and dies with the body, even then you should not lament about it, for chatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu dhruvam janma mritasya cha. So whoever is born dies someday, and whoever dies takes birth again. In this sloka, Bhagavan further explains why Arjuna should not lament. Now let's go into the sloka. Avyaktādīni bhūtāni. Avyaktam. Avyaktam meaning which are unmanifested, which does not have a name and form. Vyaktam meaning which is manifested or which has a name and form. Let us look at some examples to understand. When clay is there as a lump of clay, it is unmanifested. But when the moment the potter takes it and makes different items, he may make a plate, he may make a pot, he may make a jar. They are all manifestations of clay. So when clay was there, it is unmanifested, and when he made it into different items, it is manifestations or vyaktam. Again, you can take the example of gold, a lump of gold from which a achari can make a chain or a bangle or a ring. So these are manifestations of the material gold. Here Bhagavan says that avyakta-dini bhūtāni. So this jagat and all the living beings on this earth were avyaktam. Avyaktam also means that it cannot be perceived. So this Jivan, when he doesn't have a shariram, the sthula shariram, he cannot be perceived. So avyaktam also means that here you cannot see him or perceive him. It's not that he was not there. It's not that the pot was never there. The pot was in avyakta form in clay. Similarly, this jagat and the living beings were avyaktam, meaning they did not have a name and form. So they were all there, but it did not have names and forms. They were in the karana rupa. They were in the causal state. Vyakta-madhyāni. Vyaktam meaning they appeared in some names and forms. They appeared as your relatives, they appeared as your sons, brothers, etc. Then after the death, they go back to their causal states again. So avyakta-nidhanāny-eva. So after death, they all reach the causal states. So tatra ka paridevanā. So why do you worry about it? Is what is Bhagavan's teaching here. The Jagat also undergoes pralayam, where everything is destroyed, and there is a phase called srishti, where it comes back to life again. So srishti, sthiti, pralayam. Similarly, this Jivan, so Jivan is Karana Shariram plus Sukshma Shariram. We have seen what is Sukshma Shariram and Karana Shariram in one of the previous snippets. To recollect, Karana Shariram is avidya, the cause for the other two Sharirams. It's like the seed of a mango. A mango seed has all the characteristics and manifests into a tree. Sukshma Shariram is the 5 Jnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, 5 Pranas, Manaha, Buddhi, Chittam and Ahankara. So the Sukshma Shariram plus Karana Shariram takes a form, namely the Sthula Shariram, a physical body, and he has a name and form. After death, the Sukshma Shariram travels away and may take another form. Now, during Mahapralayam, the Sukshma Shariram also goes and only Karana Shariram is there. So, only the Karana Shariram exists, and even the Sukshma Shariram has an end at the time of the Pralaya, Mahapralayam. We'll continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.